We're going to do a few things to modernize the look here, and one is move the hardware down maybe to more of a place that looks a little more appropriate. We're going to sand, fill the hole and sand that old hole and move it down here. We're also going to put on a new pool that's pretty and chrome and modern that will pick up on some of the other chrome accents in the house. Here's a great tip on how to get your hardware straight in your kitchen. Create a cardboard template. Then, once you decide where you want your placement of the hardware, then mark each hole accordingly around your kitchen. If there's old hardware that you're removing, you'll need to use a sandable wood filler. Fill up the holes, then sand smoothly with an electric sander before you paint. We've already gotten the cabinets ready for painting. We've already filled up the old holes for the hardware. We've re-drilled. We've already deglossed the cabinets. And now we're going to take this electric palm sander and sand over all of this wood filler, make it really smooth. Try all-in-one paint for yourself. Get yourself a free sample by visiting our website at allinonepaint.com.